Gold. She takes off all her jewelry. First a ring, acquired from her mother years ago. Another from her son on her right hand. She loves them both. They easily come off. Next come the bangles, one of corded gold, braided in Grecian patterns, without clasps. Another mirror finished with a dent of unknown origins, reflective still of everything around her in small spheres. No metal is allowed in the machine. Off comes her pearl necklace. Then she hands each piece to me. I place them in a round container with a lid and close it tight, swearing to guard it till the test is done. There's $50,000 in that box. And yet she can't remove her wedding ring. The nurse says not to worry. She goes in and disappears behind the closing doors.